Step 1. Measure the dimensions. Step 2. Install the latch and strike. The back set is to 3/8 60 mm. The back set is to 3/4 70 mm. Make sure the direction of the latch is installed properly. Install the latch screws. Test if deadbolt works properly through using a screwdriver. Step 3. Install exterior assembly. If the thickness of the door panel is not enough, please iron sheet cut short. Keep the torque blade horizontally, align it with the hole on the latch and go through. Route the cable below the latch. Horizontal. Install the mounting plate. Install the mounting plate screws. You can choose to use self-tightening screw to fix the mounting plate on the door. Step 4. Install the interior assembly. Keep the thumb turn in vertical position. Insert the cable connector to the socket. Push it in firmly until it is fully attached. Install interior assembly screws. Step 5. Detect left or right hand door installation. Keep the door open and unlock load for AA batteries. In the initial state, installing the battery will automatically determine the direction. 蓝牙开锁，临时密码共享 ，Type-C 备用充电。Installing the battery cover. Installation is complete.